Good day, everyone. I'm Joshua Lao, BSME1, for the subject of Mechanical Engineering Orientation, or ME111. Practice problem for Algebra and Trigonometry. Part 1 will be the algebra. Number 1. How many ounces of pure nickel must be added to 150 ounces of alloy, 70% pure, to make an alloy which is 85% pure? Number 1, given. 150 ounce equals to pure nickel alloy. 150 ounce, 70% pure nickel. 150 times 0.7 equals to 105 ounce nickel. 105 ounce other metal, 45 ounce. Let X ounce of pure nickel added. Then alloy will have 105 plus X ounce of nickel, in total of 150 plus X ounce. Percent of pure equals to 105 plus X over 150 plus X equals to 85. Simplify to get 105 plus X over 150 plus X equals to 85 over 100. Cross multiply. 100 times 105 plus X equals to 85 times 150 plus X. 10,500 plus 100x equals to 12,750 plus 85x. 100x minus 85x equals to 12,750 minus 10,500. 15x over 15 equals to 2,250 over 15. X equals to 150. Answer is 150 ounce should be added. Number 2 question. How many pounds of cream containing 12% butter must be added to 1,800 pounds of milk containing 2% butter fat to obtain milk having 3% butter fat? Let X 12% butter fat added by X times 12 over 100 equals to 0.12. 0.12x plus 1,800.0 ounce equals to 0.03 times x plus 1,800. 0.12x plus 36 equals to 0.03x plus 54. 0.12x minus 0.03x equals to 54 minus 36. 0.09x over 0.09 equals to 18 over 0.09. X equals to 200 lbs. 200 lbs of cream needed. Number 3. How much water must be added to 200 gallons of mixture which is 80% alcohol to reduce it to a 75% mixture? 200 gallon of mixture which has 80% alcohol. 280% equals to 200 times 80 over 100 equals to 160 gallon of alcohol. If 160 gallon of alcohol forms 75%, the solution has to be 160 times 100 over 75 equals to 213.33 gallons. 213.33 gallons minus 200 gallons equals to 13.33 gallons of water must be added to reduce it to a 75% of mixture. Number 4. 10 years ago, a man was 3 times as old as his son. In 6 more years, he will be twice as old as his son. How old are they? Let X equals to son's age now. X minus 10 equals to son's age 10 years ago. X plus 6 equals to son's age in 6 years. And let Y equals to man's age now. Y minus 10 equals to man age 10 years ago. Y plus 6 equals to man age in 6 years. Now we are told the following. Y minus 10 equals to 3 times x minus 10. Y minus 10 equals to 3x minus 30. Negative 10 plus 30 equals to 3x minus y. 20 equals to 3x minus y. Number 5. Number 5. In 2 years, a boy will be 3/4 as old as his sister. 2 years ago, we was 2/3 as old as she. How old are they? B plus 2 equals to 3/4 times S plus 2. B equals to 3/4 S plus 3/2 minus 2 minus 3/4. S equals to 1/2. Substitute the value of B to the next equation. B minus 2 equals to 2/3 times S minus 2. B equals to 2/3 times S minus 4 minus 4/3. 3/4 times S minus 1/2 minus 2 equals to 2/3 times S minus 4/3. 3/4 times S minus 2/3 times S equals to negative 4/3 plus 1/2 plus 2. 12 times 1/12 S equals to 7/6. Multiply them by 12 so as all denominator S equals to 14. Sister age now is 14. Boy is 10. First equation to find B. B plus 2 equals to 3/4 times S plus 2. B plus 2 equals to 3/4 times 14 plus 2. B equals to 3/4 times 16 minus 2. B equals to 12 minus 2. B is equals to, therefore, the age of boy is 10 years old. Number 6. The sum of Kim and Kevin age is 18. In 3 years, Kim will be twice as old as Kevin. What are their age now? X the age of Kim and Y the age of Kevin. X plus Y equals to 18. X plus 3 equals to 2 times Y plus 3. X plus Y equals to 18. X plus 3 equals to 2Y plus 6. X minus 2Y equals to 6 minus 3. X plus Y equals to 18. X minus 2Y equals to 3. Negative X plus Y equals to 18. Negative 3Y over negative 3 equals to negative 15 over 3. Substitute the value of Y minus 5. X plus Y equals to 18. X plus 5 equals to 18. X equals to 18 minus 5. X equals 13 of age of Kim. The age of Kim is 13. Number 7 and number 5 are the same. So they have the same answer and solution. Number 8. Paula is now 18 and old as his colleague. Monica is 14 years old. How many years ago was Paula twice as old as Monica? Let 18 minus X age of Paula. 14 minus X age of Monica. 18 minus X equals to 2 times 14 minus X. 18 minus X equals to 28 minus 2X. 2X minus X equals to 28 minus 18. X equals to 10. To check, substitute the value of X equals to 10 to the age of 2 girls. Paula, 18 minus X. 18 minus X equals to 8. Monica, 14 minus X. 14 minus 10 equals to 4. Therefore, 10 years old ago, Paula age is twice. A girl is 1/3 as old as her brother and 8 years younger than her sister. The sum of their age is 38 years. How old is the girl? Let x equals to the age of the girl. 3x equals to the age of the brother. X plus 8 equals to the age of her sister. Given. 38 equals the age of the three siblings. Solution. X plus 3x plus x plus 8 equals 38. X 5x equals 38 minus 8. 5x over 5 equals 30 over 5. X is equals to 6. Substitute the value of x. X minus 6, that is the age of the girl. 3x equals to 3 times 6 equals to 18. 18 is the age of the brother because 3 times older to the girl and 1/3 is the age of the girl to the brother. X plus 8 equals to 6 plus 8 equals to 14. The age of the older sister because the girl is 8 years younger. At what time after 12 noon will the hour hand and minute hand of the clock first form an angle of 12? The midnight the angle between the hand is 0. Half an hour after this, the angle will be 165. The hour hand will have moved 15 degrees and the minute hand will move 18 degrees. 180 minus 15 equals to 165. Because the hand movement is continuous, then get from 1200 degrees, the angle must have moved through 120, so the answer is somewhere between 0 and 30 minutes. It takes an hour 720 minutes to get round the clock, and it takes the minute hand 60 minutes to get round the clock. So after x minus x minutes, the hour hand has moved 360 times x over 720 equals to x over 2 degrees. And the minute has moved 360 times x over 60 equals to 6 times x degree. Because the first solution lies between 0 and 30 minutes, we know that the minute hand must be after the hour hand. So the question we have to solve is minute hand minus hour hand equals to 120, or rather 60x minus 0.5x equals to 120. 5.5x equals to 120. X equals to 240 over 11. X equals to 21.82. The time after 12 noon will the hour hand and minutes hand is at 12:21. Part 2 will be the trigonometry. At a certain horizontal distance from the foot of a vertical cliff, the angle of elevation of the top of a flagpole 50 feet tall standing on the edge of the cliff is 400. From the same position, the angle of elevation of the foot of the pole is 350. How high is the cliff? Look at the figure. Given the elevation of the cliff and the flagpole. Equation number 1. Tangent 40 degree equals to 50 plus x over y. Equation number 2. Tangent 35 degrees equals to x over y. Y is equals to y. 50 plus x over tangent 40 degrees equals to x over tangent 35 degrees. X is equals to 252.0.07 feet. Number 2. At a certain point, the angle of elevation of the top of a flagpole which stand on a level ground is 350, 75 feet near the pole. The angle of elevation is 500. How high is the pole? Look at the figure of number 2. Given the angle of elevation. Equation number 1. Tangent 35 degrees equals to y over x. Tangent 50 degrees equals to y over x minus 75. Y is equals to y. X times tangent 35 degrees is equals to x minus 75 times tangent 50 degrees. X is equals to 181.84 feet. Y is equals to tangent 35 degrees times 181.84. Y is equals to 127.32 feet. Number 3. 2 points A and B, 180 feet apart, lie on the same side of a tower on a hill and in a horizontal line passing directly under the tower. The angle of elevation of the top and bottom of the tower view from B are 120 and 340 respectively, and at A at the angle of elevation of the bottom is 100. Find the height of the tower. Look at the figure of number 3. Given the angle of elevation of the top and bottom of the tower view from B are 420 and 340 respectively, and at A, the angle of elevation of the top bottom is 100. Tangent 34 degree equals to h over x. Tangent 10 degrees equals to h over x plus 180. H is equals to h. X times tangent 34 degrees equals to x plus 180 times tangent 10 degrees. X equals to 63.71. H is equals to tangent 34 degrees times 63.71. H is equals to 42.97. Find the height of the building. Tangent 42 degrees equals to y over x. Y is equals to 63.71 times tangent 42 degrees. Y is equals to 57.36. B is equals to y minus h equals to 57.36 minus 42.97. B is equals to 14.4 feet. Number 4. Along one bank of the river with parallel banks are surveyor layouts, a baseline AB is 600.0 feet long from the each end of the line. An object C is the opposite bank is sighted. The angles which the lines of sight make with the baseline are 62 degrees, 5.3, and 81 degrees, 34.7. Respectively. Find the width of the river. Look at the figure of number 4. Given the angles of two right triangles, find the width of the river using that equation of tangent 62 degrees, 5.3 equals to y over 600 minus 6x. Tangent 81 degrees, 34.7 equals to y over x. Y is equals to y. 600 minus x times tangent 62 degrees, 5.3 equals to x times tangent 81 degrees, 34.7. X is equals to 131.0620 feet. Y is equals to 131.0620 tangent times 81 degrees, 34.7. Y is equals to 885.20 feet. Number 5. Two boundary lines of a piece of properties intersect at an angle of 0.85 point. It is a desire to cut off a triangular portion of the property which will be 1 acre, 43,560 square feet in an area by means of a straight fence. If the fence begin at a point on one boundary is 250 feet from the corner of the property and runs it in a straight line to the other boundaries, what angles does it make with the boundaries lines and how long is it? Look at the figure of number 5. Using the figure, we desire to cut off a triangular portion given the angle of theta and B to 49.81 feet and 250 feet. So we need to solve our A equals to 1 over 2 AB sin theta. Use the cosine law to find C and sine law to find B and lambda. 43,560 equals to 1 over 2 times 250 times B times sine 85. B is equals to 349.81 feet. Number 6, the side of a triangular grass plot are 47.5, 64.5, and 85 feet respectively. Find the minimum radius of an action of an automatic lawn sprinkler, which will water all parts of the lot simultaneously. Using the triangular grass, the side of the triangle and radius is unknown. Using the Aaron's formula, A is equals to the square root of S times S minus A times S minus B times S minus C. S is equals to 47.5 plus 64.5 plus 85 over 2 is equals to 98.5. A is equals to the square root of 98.5 times 98.5 minus 47.5 times 98.5 minus 64.5 times 98.5 minus 85. A is equals to 1,518.4816. 1,518.4816 is equals to 47.5 times 64.5 times 85 over 4 radius. Radius is equals to 42.87 feet.